Welcome to a short introduction to how learning algorithms and data structures can be simplified using ClioVis. ClioVis is a web application developed to help educators, students, researchers, and librarians teach and learn different topics that involve a lot of information. On our website, you can find all the necessary information as well as tutorial videos that will help you to get started. In this video, we'll explore practical examples showing ClioVis's power. Our goal is to optimize learning and understanding of algorithms through diagrams with nodes and edges, thus making it much easier for students to distinguish and remember each of them. Here you can see the already created timeline called algorithms. As you can see, we have 19 events which correspond to 19 nodes in our project. When presenting a timeline, you can see all the information in each node by clicking on it. As you could have probably noticed, the main screen is divided into dates. This will help students keep track of a project or semester deadlines. Another helpful feature of ClioVis is that it enables you to add a picture or a video to any node. Adding illustrations can be beneficial for understanding new concepts and having all the needed information gathered in one place. In this example, you can see some short descriptions as well as the running time of a specific algorithm. Also, it might be helpful to group your nodes into categories. The category feature can be used for easier navigation, assembling concepts into specific groups, or helping an audience understand your organization during a presentation. You can associate specific nodes with a specific category tag. We also can remove any tagged events by just clicking on the tag, thus simplifying our timeline. As you can see, in our example, we categorized our algorithms according to their similar function and use. We can also click on a category to make the tagged events reappear. Now the timeline looks exactly as before. You can go ahead and play with zoom and zoom out arrows as well as moving around your timeline. When zooming in or out, the whole node edge system will automatically adjust and move to be able to fit on your screen. You might be wondering how to create new nodes. It is easier than you think. On the top bar, press Create and then click Create Event. On the left side, a form will appear. You can then add an event name, description, and date to your node. You can also add an image to your event by selecting a previously uploaded image or by inserting a link to a web resource. Lastly, you can select a category tag for your node if you are using that feature. After creating an event, you can connect nodes by dragging your cursor from previous node to your new one, thus connecting it to the whole timeline. In our case, binary search is a part of all searching and sorting algorithms. If needed, you can also connect several nodes, resulting in a closed cycle. That's all for this short introduction on algorithms. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you would like to get an idea of other potential uses of ClioVis, please watch some of our other videos.